Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi students, good morning. Alhamdulillah, see you again with Miss Sari in mathematics class, and I hope you are in good condition and always stay healthy. Okay, our topic today is about rounding to the nearest 10, 100, and 1000. Let's start from the rounding to the nearest 10. But before it, we have to know about what is rounding. Rounding means making a number simpler but keeping its value close to what it was. Rounding in bahasa means membulatkan ke persepuluhan terdekat atau perseratusan terdekat or perseribuan terdekat to make it simpler, biar lebih simpel dalam penyebutan dan mungkin kita tidak begitu tahu pasti angka pastinya atau jumlah pastinya, and the result is less accurate because it is not the real amount ya, but easier to use. Memang tidak begitu akurat, tapi ini akan mempermudah when we want to know the amount something in the large number. Okay, let's see the example. 73 can be rounded to 70. And 76 can be rounded to 80. And this is the explanation. 73 rounded to the nearest 10 is 70 because 73 is closer to 70 than 80. 73 ini bisa dibulatkan ke sepuluhan terdekat menjadi 70 karena 73 ini lebih dekat dengan 70 dibandingkan dengan 80 posisinya ya. And 76 goes up to 80. 76 dibulatkan ke 80 karena posisinya lebih mendekati bilangan 80. Okay, let's see more about how to round numbers. First, decide which is the last digit to keep. And then, leave it the same if the next digit is less than 5. This is called rounding down. But increase it by 1 if the next digit is 5 or more. This is called rounding up. Jadi kuncinya adalah ketika last digit atau digit yang terakhir itu kurang dari 5, maka bulatkanlah bilangan itu turun atau ke bilangan puluhan sebelumnya. Kemudian, jika digit terakhir itu ada 5 atau lebih, ada angka 5 atau lebih, maka dibulatkan ke atas atau ke sepuluhan terdekat yang lebih besar. Okay, for more clear, let's see the example. The instruction is round 74 to the nearest 10. Bulatkanlah 74 ke sepuluhan terdekat. Okay, first, we want to keep the 7. It is in the 10th position. Kita mau membulatkan 74 ini. Apakah nanti menjadi 70 atau ke 80? By, look at the last digit. The last digit is 4. This 4 is less than 5, right? So, no change is needed to 7. Karena 4 ini kurang dari 5, maka kita tidak perlu menaikkan atau membulatkan ke sepuluhan di atasnya. Jadi 7 di sini tetap. So the answer is 70. And 74 gets rounded down. 74 artinya dibulatkan ke bawah, ke arah 70. Karena 4 adalah kurang dari 5. Okay, let's see the next example. Round 86 to the nearest 10. Bulatkanlah 86 ke sepuluhan terdekat. Apakah ke 80 atau ke 90? First, we want to keep the 8. Sekarang kita simpan dulu yang 8 ini. And then let's focus on 6. 6 is 5 or more, right? More than 5. So, the 8 will be increased to become 9. Jadi 8 ini nanti dibulatkan ke 9, menjadi 9. Karena 6 ini sudah mendekati sepuluhan terdekat berikutnya. Okay, so the answer is 90. So, 86 gets rounded up. Berarti ini pembulatannya pembulatan ke atas karena menuju ke bilangan 90. Okay, let's try to estimate the rounding of 36. Okay, what do you think? 36 is closer to 30 or 40? Yeah, please look at 6 here. 6 is closer to the next tens, right? Ya, 6 lebih mendekati kesepuluhan berikutnya. So, 36 is 40, is rounded to 40. Jadi 36 dibulatkan menjadi 40. Karena 6 ini lebih mendekati ke kanan, right? Okay, next, what about 82? Yeah, look at 2 here. This 2 is closer to 80, right? Ya, dia lebih mendekati ke 80. So, the answer is 80. 82 will be rounded to 80. Next, what about 125? Let's see, look at 5 here. If it is 5, you can round it to the next tens. Oke, karena 5 bisa dibulatkan ke atas. So, it is 130. Next, what about 980? This is 0. So, if you find 0 here, so it will stay in 980. Karena 0, dia tidak kemana-mana. Jadi, bilangannya tetap di situ. Pembulatannya ya di situ. Okay, next, what about 1457? Okay, please look at 7 here. 7 is closer to the next tens, right? So, we can round it to 1460. Okay. Nah, let's start to rounding to the nearest 100. Let's see. Now, let's focus to the 100. Sekarang kita mau membulatkan ke seratusan terdekat. Oke, fokusnya ada di seratusannya, bukan di puluhan lagi. Oke, let's see. Let's see 56 here, the last 2 digit, 2 digit terakhir, 56. Okay, please tell me 56 is closer to 100 or 200? Ya, karena di sini 6. Karena 6, so it is closer to the next, right? So we can round it to 200. Okay, next. What about 215? Okay, look at 15 here. This 15 is closer to 200 or 300. What do you think? Yeah, because it's still 15, yeah? Still so far if we have to go to 300. So I think it is closer to 200. Is it correct? Yes. Okay, next. 1670. What do you think? It is close to 1600 or 1700? Yes, of course, it's closer to 1700. Yeah. Okay, so it will be rounded to 1700. Okay, next. 1950. What do you think? Will be rounded to 1900 or 2000? I think it is closer to 2000, right? Let's see. Yes, okay. It can be still in 1950. Yeah, because this is 0. Okay, next. 3,370. What do you think? It will become 3,300 or 3,400? I think this is closer to 3,400, right? Let's see. Yeah, that's correct. Okay, now let's try to round to the nearest 1,000. What do you think? Is it more complex or easy for you? Let's see. Now let's focus to the 3 last digit. Sekarang kita lihat di 3 digit terakhir ya. Okay, let's look at the example. The first, 2,352. 2352. Okay, is it closer to 2000 or 3000? What do you think? Okay, look at the hundreds here. Lihat ratusannya. Ratusannya masih berkisar 3. 3 kurang dari 5. So, I think it is closer to 2000. Is it correct? Let's see. Yes, that's correct. Next, the next example, 3,892. What do you think? It will be rounded to 4,000 or 3,000. I think it is will become 4,000. Is it correct? Yes, it will become 4,000. Why? Because please look at the hundreds here. Ratusannya di sini. Ratusannya di sini adalah 8. 8 is more than 5, right? So, it will be rounded to the next 1,000. Okay? Nah, let's see this one. 4,090. 4,090. What do you think? It is close to 4,000 or 5,000? I think it is close to 4,000. Is it correct? Yes. Okay, now let's see 3,593. I think it is will become, what is it? 4,000? Yes. Okay, 7,457. I think it will become 7,000? Yes. Okay, thank you. That's all. Yeah. Okay, students, maybe that's all for my explanation. And the assignment is please do your worksheet about rounding to the nearest 10, nearest 100, and nearest 1,000. Oke, worksheetnya sudah kalian terima, silakan kalian kerjakan pembulatan hingga 10-an terdekat, 100-an terdekat, and 1000-an terdekat. Okay, thank you for watching and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.